What's going on, world? Truth or Lie Thursdays. This question says, what is God's position on capital punishment? And I based my answer basically on the nation of Israel and what God set up in the, in the books of the law. And so basically said, for earthly governments, I believe that God has established capital punishment. And I do have a blog on this that goes a lot deeper into it, but if you look in the Bible, you'll see that most of the punishments that God set up for crime in the nation of Israel has nothing to do with incarceration. The way that God set up punishments in the nation of Israel were physical, beatings or whatever, financial fines, and then capital punishment. And that seems kind of brutal, but it actually makes a lot of sense, because if you focus on those punishments instead of building prisons and jails and making money off of people, you get a lot less corruption, because there's less money to be made off of sin and crime. If you beat somebody, first of all, physical punishment is a lot more, it changes your soul a lot more because it's physical. There's no substitute for physical pain when it comes to discipline. So it works better. Number two, you're not making money off of beating someone, and you're not making money off of killing someone. You can't have a group of slaves, in a prison system to the point where you got corporations investing in prison, investing in crime, and investing in gangster rap music, so they can create more criminals, and dropping off guns in the city so they can create gangs and criminals and all this foolish sorcery that we have, because we've connected punishment, to money. So, yeah, I don't know how I got on that, but yeah. Anyway, capital punishment is not to be used by the body of Christ. It's a natural government thing. It's temporary until Jesus returns, when he'll operate the way he wants. But for now, I do believe the kingdoms of the earth are able to operate in capital punishment. So yeah.